Fix saved contacts name not showing up for calls messages on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app, scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back, scroll all the way up, open your Apple ID, head towards the option of iCloud. Now click on Show All. Over here you will find the option of Contacts. Toggle on for this option. Once you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of Settings. Now open the option General. Head towards the option of iPhone Storage. From here you have to find the app Contacts. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache of the app. Once you offload the app, click on Reinstall app. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix saved contacts name not showing up for calls and messages on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.